Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel I post tech related stuff, and I've been doing a series of PowerShell tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to retrieve saved Wi-Fi passwords on a Windows machine. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to display the network adapter settings and a couple of other networking commands. So in this session I'll be showing you how you're going to get your Wi-Fi passwords that are already saved in a Windows 10 machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run PowerShell as the administrator. I'm going to click on yes. So the commands that I'm going to use will enable me to show all the networks that my desktop has ever connected to, and I'm also going to specify the key, which is the password, for it to display as clear text. So the command will be net show profiles. You can see there is some networks that have already connected. Let me enlarge the screen. So there's Cozy, TechKid, Huawei Desktop, and other two Wi-Fi networks that have already connected with my Windows machine. So I'm going to select the profile that I want to see the password. In my case, I'm going to use TechKid. So the command that I'm going to use is the same, but I'll specify the profile name, which is TechKid. TechKid underscore. Then I display the key as clear text. So let's show profile and click on enter. So you can see the whole information about the network is displayed for TechKid, and also the authentication, the security keys, and this is our password for the network. You can also do the same command for the other profiles. Let's retrieve the profile so that you can select. Let me select this profile, this desktop. I'm going to edit the same command and put desktop profile here and click on enter. So the same command will enable us to retrieve the two Wi-Fi passwords, and I'm going to show them as clear text. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe for more content.